So, what are we going to do today? Today I'm going to explain to you how to use the Rigify add-on to simplify the process of rigging and do it in minutes, not hours, not... maybe the quality is a little bit... Let's go and see what we're working with. So, as you can see, here is the final product, already rigged and works very well, kind of, but as you can see here in the modifier tab, none of these modifiers like mirror or anything else are applied, but there isn't a problem for us, because this add-on already takes care of that. Let's see how to do it. So, in the first place you're going to enable the add-on which is already baked into Blender, so go into Preferences and search for Rigify, and here it is, just toggle it on. Now that you have it enabled, you can actually use it. Press Shift A to enable this pop-up, and now go into Armature and Human. Put it in the center of your model, and now I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees because this project has the axis opposed, no, the axis flipped, okay, the X and Y. And now scale it up so it fits your model, but you can see it now, so go here and go and put it in front. Okay, now I'm going to go in the X axis and scale it to match my model. Okay, so after a bit of trial, I actually got it right, but that is my fault because this model is not really a human, but it's fine. Now this is the final result of the bones, but now you got to actually generate the rig like this, so the controls. So click on the rig, and then click on regenerate rig, which is going to be generate rig because I have already generated it, but click it, and now because I've already generated, this will be the result. Ta-da! Here it is. It's cute, no it isn't, but we've got way too many things, so let's go hide it, the things that we don't need. Going to pause mode like this, and now let's hide a few things. I recommend selecting the ones that you do want to have and then inverting the selection to do it easier. But now let's get it right. Erase the bones and put this in the right place, and also put it in front, of course. And now select the parts that you want to rig, like this, then select the rig, Ctrl P to parent, and now with automatic weights. Let's go into pause mode, and it works. Ta-da! We can move this, the neck, which is weird, but I fixed later with weights in the actual one, and the body. So yeah, this is Rigify. I've done it in a few minutes. I put it a bit back, so don't worry about it. And yeah, this is it. I hope you like it, and I hope this was helpful to you. Bye now. See the next video that comes up here, and subscribe. Bye.